Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the thumbnail, the title, and by this in my hand right here, today I'm going to be doing some press-on nails with Temu pre-made French tip nails, and these can be used for like gel X and everything, but I'm going to do them for like a pre-made French tip design. And as you're seeing by the thumbnail and these right here, I'm going to be doing like a watercolor flower design, and these are not the best, but I did what I could, you know. It's going to be like a messy watercolor design, so I'm just going to really get started and get into the video. So I have all my nails picked out right here, and I already started on this thumb to see how I would like it. So I did put some matte polish on them, because if I would have just like buffed the nails, then the white on these would have just came off, because they're like printed on, but they do come matte, but they're not matte enough for the watercolor to stick on them. So I put the Beetles matte top coat on them and then cured it for 60 seconds. But I'm just going to get started with the design. And to start, I have this Magpie Beauty watercolor palette, and I already wet some because, like I said, I was already started. But I wet the ones that I wanted with just some regular water, and I want to get started and showing you guys how I do the design. So I'm just taking this regular liner brush, and I'm going to take my first nail. So to start my first one, I'm going to go in with some yellow, and I just do any random design because I don't really know like any other thing to do, so I just try to do some. Oh, this has orange in it. So I'm really just doing any random thing because I don't really know how to draw flowers, so I'm just doing whatever I think looks like one. So I'm just using the same brush for everything, so I'm going to go in and just make like a stem. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to take that red color that I did, and I'm just going to, I don't even know, I'm just going to do any random thing. So now that I have that, I'm going to take like this dark greenish brown and just do like a dot in the middle. I'm going to take a little bit of white and just like highlight like little spots. And I'm not doing this neat at all, as you can see, so. I'm actually going to go back in my thumb one because I didn't do any white in that. This is what I have so far. So I have my middle fingernail now, and I was going to take like this other brush, and I don't know, just do, I don't know. I'm going to do like a little flower down here. It's not going to be so little, obviously. It looks like it's like maybe like a purple or black on camera, but it's a blue. It's like a dark blue, so I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna highlight all of them so that you can actually tell, but. So now I'm going to take this green. gonna go in with some orange. So stay focused. I'm gonna try something different on this one. I think I'm gonna do like a, I'm gonna try to do like a leaf, maybe, I don't know. I might really just eyeballing this whole thing, honestly. Everything is getting highlighted. So some white. So now I'm going to take that red again. Dang it. Just when I thought I had it, I done put too much. And I think for this one, I'll just do the leaves. So it's not too much going on. Even though it's already so much going on anyway. So I'm just taking that brown that I was using to like dot the other flowers to like define the leaves a little bit more. Not even define them, maybe like give them like some more definition. So this is what I have so far. Let me show them together actually. And I don't think they look that bad. They're like I said, like watercolor. They're like artsy. So I'm going to cure this. They are like air dry, but I just like to cure it just to be safe. But I want to do it for actually like 2 minutes because I want to make sure it like tries to settle in a little bit. But when you do the watercolor, I realize that you don't want to like layer on too much because it will get like, I don't know how to describe it. Like it will get like bunched up looking, I guess you could say. Like, I don't know how to really describe it, but it'll peel off. Like it won't be like stuck on the nail really. It'll just be able to like peel off in layers because it's too much going on. But if that makes any sense, I don't know. But I'm just gonna cure this like I just said. So this is like what I was talking about, like the bubbling if I put too much polish. Like as you can see, like this one is the nail I did off camera, and it's like obviously like a bubble right there. So I'm just trying to squish it in. But I could probably just peel it off. But I feel like it gives it another look. I don't know. I'll figure out what to do with it. I don't know if I want to peel it off, but I think my anxiety's going to kick in and I want to just peel it off. So I'm probably just going to peel it off actually. So I'm actually going to take that same matte top coat that I did on the nails originally. And I'm just going to matte all these nails. But I'm going to like graze the top coat on the nails because I don't want to smudge the watercolor. Even though it does give a little bit of a different effect, but I don't want that effect. So I'm just going to try to graze over it lightly. I'm going to wipe the sides to make sure nothing is spilling over. And now I'm just going to cure for another 60 seconds. So now that the nails are all cured, now I'm actually going to just take some, well I'm not going to take some, if anything, I want to actually take my hand filer. What am I talking about? So I'm actually going to take my hand file and I'm just going to get rid of all these tabs on all the nails to like reshape them. And I'm trying to go in one direction so that I don't mess anything up. And I like to like go over it with like a buffer just to like get those fray pieces off because they are already pre-made. I'm going to go over all the nails with a lint-free wipe to get that dust off that I just shaved. And I'm going to do that to all the nails. So these are what the press-on nails are looking like. I'm going to show you guys a video of them on me as well. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!